How are you all today?
Fine, madam.
Fine.
So we are going on to the next topic in grammar, which is present continuous. So what are you doing now, Arvind?
I'm not I'm nothing doing, madam.
Nothing. What about you?
I'm listening classes.
You're listening to the class. Okay. What else are you doing?
I'm I'm thinking about my stories and my
Okay. What else?
I'm thinking
what
about topics.
Okay. So I can see you, isn't it?
Yeah, madam.
I can see you are sitting. I can see you are looking. Hmm? And Arvind, never say I'm not doing anything. Never. Okay. Aren't you learning English?
No, I'm learning English.
You are learning English.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we are
yes,
learning.
So
I'm
you are
learning it.
doing it. So when you go out of the class, do you stop learning?
No, madam.
You continue to learn?
Yeah, madam.
Are you studying somewhere?
Yes, I'm studying.
What are you doing? What are you studying?
I'm studying core IT courses.
Okay. So have you completed your graduation?
Yes, I'm completed.
Oh. But you're not doing, yeah, you can't say I'm not doing anything, right? So now when we talk about present continuous, that is what we are going to do today. Okay. So whenever an action is continuing, what's
Doing.
happening now? Can you hear the noise?
Yes,
Yes,
we
madam.
are in
What is
They
that
are
noise?
some
uh,
construction has
no,
Somebody
happening
is
somewhere.
pulling something.
pulling something.
You can hear that dragging
Voice.
noise. Can you hear something else?
Yeah,
Some
yeah,
nature.
something working. There's
No, no,
something.
some natural.
Some
Birds
birds.
are
Some
You can hear
birds.
some
some
birds.
birds.
You can hear some vehicle going on the road.
Yeah, madam.
Right?
They're going
All
a
this is
vehicles
happening now.
present.
So we can say someone is honking. Honking is
Mm,
using the horn
On
of a vehicle.
vehicles.
Somebody else is talking.
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 Hmm.
Madam, can we say someone shouting?
Someone is shouting.
Someone
Is
is short.
Is
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 shouting.
shouting.
Now, so very good. Now, how should you say present continuous? Subject. Subject is someone.
Someone
Is, if it is singular.
singular.
If you are doing,
yeah
I am.
am. If there are more than one person doing,
are
Are.
are. Yes. Plus, the verb should be in ing form.
Form.
Can you give me examples of ing form verbs?
walking, studying, learning.
Learning.
Are you going
Listening.
to walking
Yeah.
today?
Are you going walking?
Yeah, I'm going walking
Are you going walking?
on
Not
the
today.
foot.
I'm
On foot.
going for a walk.
Walk. I am going for
I'm
walk.
going for a walk.
Walk.
I come to the institute on foot.
Foot.
But that is different. We are talking about present continuous
Tense.
action, which has a subject, which has am, is, are. That is right now,
Right now.
present tense plus the verb which is in ing form is called V4. So somebody is honking, somebody is shouting. So the birds
Madam?
are chirping. The sound of birds is called chirping.
Chopping.
So that is what is happening now. But then, when we talk about present continuous, it is not only what is happening here
Okay.
around us,
Round us.
but you are doing a Java course, right? Are you doing a course now?
Yes,
This moment?
no, no, no.
Not
Not
during
now.
this period
This
of time.
period.
So let's write the points. An action at the moment of speaking. Okay, that is what we talk these examples. Somebody is riding a bike. Second, an action going on during this period. He's learning, doing a course in Java. What about you, Arvind?
I'm learning
Hmm?
spoken English.
Yes, going on during this period.
Period.
Okay, so it need not necessarily be an action which is happening right in the midst of a speaker and a listener. Like, I can't see him doing the Java course, but he's doing it. Okay, so it is not at the moment of speaking, but during this period.
Period.
So, what else are you doing, Arvind? What are you doing?
I'm studying.
Huh?
I'm
You're studying what?
become general.
Become general.
General.
You're learning spoken English here.
Here.
So remember, present continuous just does not mean the action in front of us, but also during this period of time.
Here.
Okay. Then, what are you doing today evening?
Going to tuition.
You're going to
Tuition.
tuition. Yes. What about you?
I'm going to chit chat my friends.
Chat with my friends. Oh, so you do know that you're not chatting with your friends now. You're doing it in the evening. It is fixed.
Fixed.
You know that's what you're going to do. So, an action planned for the near future.
Future.
So, you definitely know what you're going to do today evening. What are you doing next Sunday?
Going to movie.
You're planning to go for a
Movie.
movie. It is fixed,
Fix.
decided, planned. You also use the same structure to indicate an action which is fixed for the near future.
Future.
You know, you can plan if you want to write an exam.
Okay.
You get your hall ticket. You know you are going to write it. Can you change the time,
No, madam.
date?
No.
It is fixed. Then you say, I am writing an exam on Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay. Suppose you are traveling out of town. You are going to your hometown. Or when are you going to your hometown?
Coming Sunday, I'm going to.
You are going to your hometown. If you have to go to your hometown, you have to book tickets. You have to plan it well in advance. But it's not too early, right? We call it the near future.
Future.
Whatever is planned within a reasonable amount of time, it is a near future.
Future.
If you have to book tickets, when should you book?
Before
3 months ahead. 3 months before the actual trip, you can book tickets in the train if you have to travel a long distance. So you say, I'm going to my hometown, I'm traveling to Chennai, I'm traveling to Goa. Though this is not happening right now, it is fixed, it is planned, it cannot be changed. So we say, we use the present continuous form, but we don't call this the present continuous. It is something which is planned for the near
Near
future.
future.
Suppose I say, the students, what should it be? It is plural.
Plural.
Which verb should come?
Are.
Are. Writing
Exam.
exams. Suppose I want to say, no, they are not writing. How do I make the negative of this? Students,
Does
the students
are not writing exams.
Are not
Writing
writing
exams.
exams. So now you know that this is the present continuous form. It has two verbs. Are, which is a helping verb, and writing, which is a main
Main
verb
verb
in ing form.
form.
So, if you want to make it into negative, the word comes between the auxiliary verb or helping verb and the main
Main
verb.
verb.
Same thing is with question.
Question.
Now, try. How can you ask a question for the same thing?
Are not the students writing exam?
Are the
I-
students writing the exams?
Okay, you can ask it both the ways, but it is whenever we ask, it is a short form. So we can, so this, the helping verb comes before the subject. The subject goes between the helping verb and the main verb to make a question. So, are the students writing
Exams.
exams? You want to ask a negative question? It is not.
Or not?
No.
Are
The
not.
short form is used.
Aren't
Aren't. Good. Aren't
the students
students writing
the exams?
exams? So what you should remember is, whenever we have two verbs in a sentence, the helping verb and
And
the
main
main
verb.
verb. The helping verb could be a be verb,
We verb.
am, is, are, was verb. It could be a have verb, have, has, had. So if it is be verb, it is followed by ing form, V4. If it is a have verb, it is followed by V3. That is the participle form. What is the V3 for writing? Write,
Right. 10.
Written.
write,
Written.
wrote, written.
Written.
So whenever you have two verbs like that, today we are dealing only with present continuous. But whenever you have two verbs, a helping verb and a main verb, then to make negatives, questions, WH questions, they are separated. Okay. So suppose I change the sentence into writing their final exams. So, how would you ask a question for which that is the answer? You won't know what exam they are writing. How would you ask?
What are the writing exam?
No, I have underlined final. Which exam?
Which
So,
exam?
which followed by which
Exam
Or do.
again are
are
they
they writing?
are
They
they
writing.
okay. So remember that whenever we have a question form or a negative form, helping verb and the main verb, they are separated. If it is negative, not comes between that. If it's a yes no question, the subject comes between that. And if it is a WH question, the subject comes between that. So these things you have to remember while you are making the different forms of a sentence. Not all verbs can come in ing form. So tell me, what do you have? You have a pen?
I have a book.
You have a
I
book?
have mobile.
Hmm?
I have pen, I have book, and I have mobile.
You have a bike?
I have bike.
So remember, these verbs, there are some verbs which should not come in ing form. You cannot say I am having a book, isn't it? So chative verbs means they tell the state or condition of something or person at that moment. state.
Call as state.
Stative.
State.
They're called stative verbs. So they're also called verbs of perception, verbs of feeling or so certain verbs, for example, verbs like feel, then smell, okay, then taste, see, look, okay, see, look comes under another category, okay, look, have, so certain verbs like this, remember, forget, these verbs can never come in ing form. You can't say, I'm remembering it. You can't say, he is seeming. Seem is appear. Taste. Now, verbs like smell, taste, feel, even look, have.
Somebody said I am looking.
Yes. So, good. Now, look can have two meanings. I can say, he looks handsome. I can say, he looks tired. So, what does it mean? Is it the way he looks or is it his appearance? Appearance, right? You can use it when you are talking about the appearance, it is looks, but I can say he is looking out of the room. That is the action of looking. Similarly, have. When you possess, own. You have a pen, you have a book,
Have a bike.
you have a bike, but your friends are having fun. They are having a party,
Having lunch. Having breakfast.
yes, having a meeting. That signifies action. Talks about an action. Similarly, feel can have meanings. You can say, I'm feeling tired. You're talking about the temporary feeling. Temporary feeling. But when you say, I feel, you should pay more attention to your studies. It is my opinion. You cannot use it in ing form. You cannot say, I'm feeling, you should do well. I'm feeling, you should take this course. No, I feel. Similarly, smell. When you talk about the quality of a thing, remember the qualities of things do not change at all, right? Simple present, that's why we use. They don't change at all. I can say the rose smells sweet. Okay? But somebody is trying to smell it, action. Then you say, he is smelling the food or the flower to feel it. Same case, taste. Do you like mangoes?
Yes, I like
Yes.
mangoes.
How do mangoes taste?
Mango like taste is very sweet
Keep the mangoes in.
and
Oh, right now? Okay.
very tasty
Huh.
and very
Sa-
sweet and
Sweet, sometimes sour also.
salt. Yeah, madam.
Sour. So you can say, this mango tastes sweet, or this mango tastes sour.
Salt.
But you cannot say the mango is tasting sour, because the mango cannot taste anything else. It's not an action. So these words can come in both as an ing form or a simple present. So depending on the meaning, you have to remember. So if somebody is tasting food, putting it into his mouth and tasting, that is an action. Then you say tasting. He's tasting the food to see if it is good, if it is not spoiled. Otherwise, when we talk about the quality of the thing, it smells, it tastes, he looks, huh? He feels, he seems. Seems appearance.
Appearance.
Then it could also be have, belong to. Never say the book is belonging to me. Belong to. Then think, believe, think, believe. I believe him, not I am believing him. I think you should do this, opinion. But now, what are you thinking of right now? You're thinking of food. Are you feeling hungry?
Yeah, madam.
No? You're feeling thirsty? That is a feeling. What you feel just
Just now.
then. That is feeling, but your opinion is feeling.
Feeling.
Okay? It could also be understand. Do you understand what we did today? Have you understood what we have done?
Yes,
You are
madam.
not
We
understanding. You have understood.
understand.
So, this is what is about
Present
present
continuous.
continuous. Thank you.